In this video, I will show you how to create a macro in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho account. Now, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Settings button. Once you're in your settings board, scroll down until you reach the Automation section and then click on Macros. In here, you will see a list of your existing macros. To create a new one, click on the Create Rule button at the top right corner. A new window will appear where you need to fill out the basic details like the rule name and the short description explaining what the macro will do. Once done, click Next. Under Availability, choose who can access this macro. For example, select all agents if you want everyone to use it. Next, click the plus icon to add an action. From the drop-down, select Alerts, then New. A pop-up will appear where you can set up your alert message, email notification, or any other response you would like the macro to trigger. After filling out all the details, click Save on the alert window. And that's how to create a macro in Zoho Desk.